In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove AI label on Facebook post. You can see I have already posted on Facebook. It's currently just now, but here are AI label. This is very annoying, so you want to remove, right? So how to remove? I will show you step by step. Just go to google.com, then here are type FB AI label remover. Then click on enter. Then here's the lots of website you found. You can see remove AI label. So present current time, lots of the people using AI for creating Facebook post image or use some things. There's Facebook automatically add an AI label. So how to remove it, right? So you can see this is my main image. Then I need to click and upload. Wow, it's already completed for to metadata deleted. Then again download. Now if I click on Facebook, then again click on post, or otherwise you can click on a three dot, then click on edit post. Then here are delete this old image. Then I want to add a new image. Then click on open. Then you can see this is AI label. You need to turn off this, then click on got it, then again click save. So this is the method you can remove AI label on Facebook. Thanks for watching. See you again.